Hey there, and welcome to your grammar video for Unit 7, Purple Listening. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the verbs make, have, let, help, and get. Let's get started. A few things you'll need to remember to better understand this lesson is what is a base verb, as well as what is an infinitive. If you don't know these things, no problem. Take a moment to look them up and then come back. We use verbs make, have, and let to talk about things that the subject requires, causes, or allows the object to do. When we use the verb make specifically, the object must do the base verb action. Usually it's something they wouldn't choose to do. The subject tells the object they have to do this. Here we have a few examples. The mom makes her kids clean their room. The teacher made the student do extra homework. The wife will make her husband quit smoking. However, when we use the verb have, the object must do this, but it's less strong than make. The subject tells the object to do it, and the object quickly says okay. No force is involved. A few examples. I have my friend help me. The teacher has the students put their books away. His mom has him drive her to the mall. When we use the verb let, the object wants to do this, and the subject says it's okay. So it's a little different from make and have. Here we have some examples. I let my friend drive my car. He lets his dog play outside. The teacher lets the students take a break. You have to also remember that the base verb let is the same as the past verb let. For example, my mom let me have some money. In this sentence, we know that this is the past because if it were present, the verb would be lets. Take a moment to pause the video and practice using these verbs in sentences of your own. The verb help can be written in two different ways, and both ways have the same exact meaning. We can use the verb help with a base verb that follows the object. For example, the mom helps her kids do their homework. My friend helped me clean my car. Abdullah helped Muhammad get ready for the test. We can also use the verb help with an infinitive following the object. You'll remember that infinitive is the base verb plus the preposition to. Some examples. The mom helps her kids to do their homework. My friend helped me to clean my car. Abdullah helped Muhammad to get ready for the test. Again, in these examples, they have the same exact meaning, whether you use a base verb or an infinitive following the object of the sentence. Now, you have to remember that get can only be written with an infinitive following the object, not a base verb. So for example, in these statements, the object must do this, but it's less strong than make. The subject tells the object to do this, and the object quickly says okay. Again, there's no force involved. It's the same meaning as have, but uses the infinitive. Here are some examples. I got my friend to help me. The teacher gets the students to put their books away. His mom is getting him to drive her to the mall. Take a moment to pause the video, practice writing a few sentences using the verb get. So, in summary, there are a few important points that you'll have to remember for this grammar. For verbs make, have, and let, we only use it with the base verb following the object of the sentence. For get, we only use an infinitive after the object of a sentence, whereas help can be either a base verb or an infinitive after the object of a sentence. When we use the verb make, the object doesn't want to, but must. When we use have and get, the object doesn't want to, but there's no problem. However, when we use let, the object wants to, and the subject says it's okay, and help, the subject helps the object. Now, let's take a practice quiz. Pause the video and answer the questions, then press play and we'll check your answers. Question 1. I usually blank my brother finish his homework because I am a nice sister. Again, here we have the subject assisting the object, so D, help, is the best answer. Question 2. When I was a kid, I hated going to the dentist, but my mom always blank. Again, if I don't want to do something, we typically use the verb make. Here we're talking about something in the past, so we should use the past tense. So C, made me go, is the best answer. Question 3. My friends get me blank, them everywhere because they don't have a car. Again, we have get, so we must use the infinitive. Infinitive, as a reminder, is the preposition to plus the base verb, so D is the correct answer. Question 4. The mother blank her children eat chocolate after they eat their vegetables. Here, the mother is allowing the children to do something. Also, we have a third person singular subject, so we'll need to include an S on our verb. A is the best answer. Question 5. The teacher blanked the PYD students to line up at the door at the end of class. If we look at this statement, we have an infinitive, and we know that we can use get with an infinitive. We have a third person singular subject, the teacher, so we'll need an S on our verb, and D is the correct answer. That's it for this lesson. As always, I hope you thought it was useful. Class dismissed.